Okay, we got some old candles here. Hello all, Wave Rider here. We're gonna go check this out. 5 ball Roman candle, warning shoots, flaming balls, for outdoor use only, not holding hands, stick button in ground like fuse, get away, use only under close adult supervision. By Longhorn Manufacturing Corporation or Company. Dot Class C, Roswell, New Mexico. Common fireworks. That's all it says here. Because I got this at the secret store that's run by old mom and pops. Like I said before, she sold this to me for what is it? I think it was a quarter each. Yeah. Let's go outside and give this a try. Actually, before we do that, let's go look at the package one more time. You see here, there's no real stopper in the back. They just shoved the remaining wrapper in the back here. So yeah, it's probably not the best to hold in your hands anyway, since it is old. Anyway, we'll give this a try outside. See you guys out there. We have the 5-ball Roman candle by the Longhorn Manufacturing Company. This old dot Class C candle. Again, like the old ones, I don't keep my hopes high, but so I could be pleasantly surprised if something cool does happen. Anyway, here it goes. Ooh, it's not even lighting. There you go. Nice. Okay. That was quick. Yeah. I got it for like a quarter, so I'm not too surprised about it. So it's worth a quarter, I'd say. But for an old Roman candle, that was actually kind of fun. Anyway, see you guys inside. Or see you guys again. Have a great evening.